Hello, my name is Johnny Plant. I'm the Artistic Director for Evolve. I'm here to talk to you about Extension Plus. There's a great video on our website about it, but I want to touch the three key factors for a successful installation. Okay, the number one key factor of this is making sure that your Velcro strips are put in the right place. The other factor is to be sure that you pull enough hair through the easy loops that it's stable and it will hold the connection point. Now let me show you. So I have it in position right under the part so I can come right into the middle easy loop and pull hair. And I want to make sure that I pull enough. Come over to the other side, either right or left, whatever you feel. But equalize that you're pulling from the same area. Now you can pull too much that it will not go through the connection point, but that's a lot. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to pull my easy loop, hair through my easy loops and show you the correct position of my transformer. You want to come directly in, grab the stick of the easy loop, and be parallel to the part with your transformer. Pull the hair through. Once it gets through, you see that little loop. That gives you the tension to push up, crimp. Notice I was parallel to the part. Go to either right or left, whatever you feel like. Find your connection point, pull the hair through the connection point. There's my loop, pull, push up, look at my tool. It's parallel to the part. I crimp. Same thing over on the other side, right or left, whatever you feel. Pull through, find my loop, pull through. To make sure that your connection with the connection point is really solid, just lightly turn it over and check your connection. There should be 3 solid strands of hair that are about the same density in width. Then just grab a hold of the connection point, give it a little tug. If it doesn't move, you've got it on there very secure. And all 3 of them. Once you get used to this, you won't have to do this. But at the very first 3 or 4 times you're installing, you should do it every time on every section. Step 3, one of the most important part of this, for longevity of your Extension Plus to staying in the hair and your client being very successful and happy with them, is using your maintenance brush and being able to do maintenance. You hold at the top of the extension and you start at the bottom and start brushing upward. And then you can just keep on going. Then you come over to the side and work your way down. Always making sure you're holding the top of the extensions and you will not have any problem. You'll have a successful tour.